Hey my Amber babies, I'm here. I am filming today in my bathroom, guys, and I'm filming this one. Aqua Stamp microneedle tool disinfecting video, guys. If you want to see how I disinfect Aqua Stamp, please keep on watching. Hey guys, everybody asked me and I want to show you today, guys, how to disinfect Aqua Stamp. So here is clean Aqua Stamp. You guys want to know how to disinfect like before and after using Aqua Stamp. So this is actually clean disinfected Aqua Stamp. Right now I'm gonna take a random serum. Let's say you were using this serum, still you have something left, not much, but there is still something left. So guys, I'm going to show you how you actually disinfect the Aqua Stamp after you've been using serum. If you don't know, Aqua Stamp, it's only for the serum. You cannot put cream inside because it's not gonna go through the needles over here. So let's say you were stamping and over here you still inside have, you see guys, like serum left. So what do we do after I finish stamping my face? Let's take you guys to the sink. I open the end of the stamp right here, and then first thing what I do, of course, I open the other end. I'm gonna go and run with the warm water. I'm gonna explain you before I run the water. You want to let out the entire Aqua Stamp water out by doing this. It's not gonna be easy, but you have to let it out. I know it's disinfecting a little bit like pain in the neck, but you gotta do it. So you basically fill with the water, and you see water kind of stays like this. It's leaking, but that will take forever to finish leaking. So you want to help with the finger. Don't push like with the nails or nothing like sharp or hard. With the finger will be the best. You let water run out. Okay, there is no more water. Basically right now there is no serum, there is nothing else, but the main disinfecting procedure should be done with rubbing alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol 70% is actually the best. So you want to open alcohol. You can fill half, you don't have to fill full. You want to fill full. Let's see, like this. Close the alcohol because alcohol is vaporizing very fast, especially 70%. So you see with the alcohol it's not running. You want to do the same thing with the finger. You want to let alcohol out. Alcohol is going through the needles. Okay, there is no more alcohol left. Then you take water, mix it, open like this, and that's it, guys. And after that you want to keep your Aqua Stamp like this until it's dry. So I recommend to do this a night before you're going to do Aqua Stamping next day. Leave it over the night and in the morning you can use it. Make sure it's completely dry. That's it, guys. I hope I helped somebody. Have a nice stamping, guys. Mwah. Bye.